Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your design home app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. So it's going to show for you like this. Then just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here can you looking for design home app, or just click here on search. Then here at design home, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. Then you come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for design home. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.